Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Unleashed. I'm Tom. Today, I will talk about a very helpful book in easy English. I will use simple words and sentences. The book is Willpower. We're discovering the greatest human strength. The author is Roy Baumeister. But don't worry, you don't need to read the whole book. I will give you the best and easiest ideas right here. Before we start, let me explain willpower in simple words. Willpower means the power inside you that helps you do the right thing, even when it is difficult. It is the inner strength that helps you keep going, stay focused, and not give up. In this episode, you will learn what willpower is, why it gets tired, and how you can make it stronger, especially for learning English. You will understand why some days English feels light and simple, and why other days it feels heavy. Why you stop, why you start again, why you feel you have failed, and how you can grow. So take a deep breath and let's begin with chapter 1. Okay, my friends, let's slow down for a moment. Imagine this scene. It is early morning, your alarm rings, the sound is a bit annoying, your room is warm, your bed feels soft, you don't want to move, you feel sleepy, and you want 5 more minutes, maybe 10 more minutes, maybe just a little more. But then, something inside you speaks. A small voice, a quiet voice, a voice that says, "It is time. Get up. You can do this. Let's start." You open your eyes, you sit on the edge of the bed, you stretch your arms, you stand up, you wash your face, and your day begins. This tiny moment, this short moment, this little decision is willpower. Willpower is not big. Willpower is not loud. Willpower is not dramatic. It is simple. Willpower is the strength inside you that helps you choose the good action, even when you don't feel like it, even when you are tired, even when life feels heavy. So the author says something very beautiful. Willpower is like a muscle, a real muscle, like your legs, like your arms, like your back. When you use the muscle, it becomes stronger. When you use it too much, it becomes tired. This is a very important idea in the book, and it is also very important for language learning.